In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel sheet to Notion. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. If you want to keep an Excel workbook inside a Notion page so it's easy to access later, Notion lets you upload the file directly right into the page. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to add the Excel file. This can be an existing page you already use for notes, projects, or documentation, or a new page you've just created. The important thing is to be on the exact page where you want the file to appear. Once you're on that page, click anywhere in the blank area of the page. This places your cursor on the page and lets you insert a new block. In Notion, files are added as blocks, so this step makes sure you're ready to add the Excel sheet in the right spot. Next, type /file, written as file. As soon as you do that, Notion will show a list of suggestions. From those suggestions, select file. This tells Notion that you want to insert a file block into the page. After that, you'll see file options such as upload or link. For this method, choose upload and then click choose a file. Upload is the right option when the Excel workbook is saved on your computer and you want to place that file directly into Notion instead of linking out to it somewhere else. Your computer's file browser will now open. Go to the folder where your Excel file is saved, then find and select the workbook you want to add. This can be a standard Excel file with an .XLSX extension or an older .XLS file. Just make sure you choose the correct file before moving on. Once the file is selected, click open or simply press enter on your keyboard. Notion will begin uploading the file and then place it directly on the page. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. When the upload is complete, the file will appear on the Notion page. From there, you can click it anytime to download it or open it in Microsoft Excel. This makes it easy to keep spreadsheets attached to your notes or project pages without needing to search for them separately. And that's it. You've successfully added an Excel sheet to Notion.